Welcome to Powerviz. Today, we're sharing quick tips to boost productivity with the Powerviz Date Pickers presets. Let's make your Power BI reports faster and smarter. Presets let you quickly select predefined time ranges like this week or year to date, saving you clicks and time. Tip 1. Make the most of default presets. The Powerviz Date Picker comes with over 15 built-in presets, like today, this week, or YDD. Perfect for quick filtering. Let's see them in action with a sales dashboard. Selecting this month instantly filters our report to show this month's sales. Try last 7 days or YDD for other quick insights. These presets are great for repetitive tasks like weekly reports, saving you time. Tip 2. Create custom presets for your specific needs using DAX. Let's say your business runs a quarterly marketing campaign and you want a preset for those exact dates. Here's how to do it. By adding this DAX measure to the Date Picker's preset settings, you can select your campaign period with one click. This is perfect for recurring events or fiscal calendars not covered by default presets. Try these features yourself with a 30-day free trial at Powerviz, AI or Microsoft App Source. For more tips, check out our YouTube channel or Powerviz blog.